Here some question are given. Question is that a per power 4 plus b per power 4 is equal to 17. A plus b is equal to 1. What is the value of a and b? Condition a, b belong to natural number. Let's start solution. If you come in my channel first time, please subscribe my channel. Let's start solution. See here, first of all, see here, this is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. See, next step from equation number 1. See here, equation number 1 telling that a per power 4 plus b per power 4 is equal to 17. After next step, see here, a per power 4 that will be written as a square whole square plus b square whole square is equal to 17. See here, 2 2 ja 4, a per power 4, 2 2 ja 4, a per power, b per power 4. So next step, see here, adding and subtracting 2 a square b square, a square whole square plus b square whole square plus 2 into a square b square minus 2 into a square b square is equal to 17. After next step, see here, this is in the form of x square plus y square plus 2 into xy is equal to x plus y whole square. This is in the form of this form. So next step, see here, this formula will be applied in this place. See here, next step, a square plus b square bracket open close whole square minus 2a square b square is equal to 17. After next step, see here, a square plus b square whole square. So apply here formula that a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 2ab bracket close whole square minus 2a square b square is equal to 17. After next step, see here, in this form, a square plus b square plus 2ab, we know that this formula will be applied here, bracket open, again open, a plus b whole square form. This is in the form of a plus b whole square form. So next step, see here, minus 2ab bracket close whole square minus 2a square b square is equal to 17. After next step, see here, recall equation number 2. Recall equation number 2. Equation number 2 telling that a plus b is equal to 1. So next step, see here, this will be applied here. See here, a plus b whole square, here a plus b value 1. Therefore bracket open, a1 square minus 2ab bracket close whole square minus 2a square b square is equal to 17. After next step, see here, bracket open, 1 square means 1 minus 2ab bracket close whole square minus 2a square b square is equal to 17. After next step, see here, 1 minus 2ab whole square. Therefore we apply a minus b whole square formula here. See here, 1 square plus bracket open 2ab bracket close whole square minus 2 into 1 into 2ab minus 2a square b square is equal to 17. After next step, see here, 1 square means that 1 plus 2ab whole square means 4a square b square minus 2 2 ja 4 4ab minus 2a square b square is equal to 17. After next step, see here 2a square b square minus 4ab plus 1 is equal to 17. After next step, see here this 17 come this side, this 17 come this side. See here 2a square b square minus 4ab plus 1 minus 17 is equal to 0. After next step, see here 2a square b square minus 4ab minus 16 minus 17 plus 1 means minus 16 is equal to 0. After next step, see here both side divided by 2, both side divided by 2. See here next step 2 into bracket open a square b square minus 2ab minus 8 bracket close is equal to 0. See here divided by 2, here 2 2 cancel, left it a square b square minus 2ab minus 8 is equal to 0. After next step, see here a square b square that will be written as ab whole square minus 2ab minus 8 is equal to 0. After next step, see here let we assume that ab is equal to u. We assume that ab is equal to u. Therefore, in place of ab put u value. Therefore, u square minus 2u minus 8 is equal to 0. After next step, see here u square minus 4u plus 2u minus 8 is equal to 0. See here take common this side and take common this side. See here u common, u bracket open, u minus 4 bracket close plus 2 bracket open, u minus 4 bracket close is equal to 0. After next step, see here u minus 4 bracket open close, again open, u plus 2 bracket close is equal to 0. Here two equations are arise. First equation, see here u minus 4 is equal to 0. Second, u plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, here 4 come this side. Therefore, u is equal to 4. U is equal to 4. Here u is equal to minus 2. Here u value 2 arise. Therefore, recall equation number 3. See here equation number 3 telling that we know that equation number 3 telling that ab is equal to u. ab is equal to u. Therefore, ab is equal to u value how much? 4. Here ab is equal to u. Therefore, ab is equal to minus 2. After next step, see here ab is equal to 4. Here ab is equal to minus 2. After next step, see here equation number 2 telling that a plus b is equal to 1. Therefore, b is equal to 1 minus a. Therefore, see here ab is equal to 4. Therefore, a bracket open 1 minus a bracket close is equal to 4. After next step, see here a square minus a plus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore here we apply quadratic equation formula. Therefore we apply here quadratic equation formula. A is equal to minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. See here a is equal to how much? Minus 1 minus bracket open close plus minus root under minus 1 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 4 divided by 2 into 1. After next step, see here a is equal to how much? A is equal to 1 plus minus root under 1 minus 16 divided by 2. Therefore a is equal to how much? 1 plus minus root under 15I divided by 2. See here, this is complex solution. This is complex solution. So they will be rejected. They will be rejected. After next step, see here. After next step, see here. Here AB is equal to minus 2. AB is equal to minus 2. Therefore, from equation number 2, see here A plus B is equal to 1. Therefore B is equal to 1 minus A. Therefore A into 1 minus A bracket close is equal to minus 2. After next step, see here A square. See here A into 1, A minus A square is equal to minus 2. Therefore A square minus A minus 2 is equal to 0. Here A square minus 2A plus A minus 2 is equal to 0. After next step, see here take common A bracket open A minus 2 bracket close plus 1 into bracket open A minus 2 bracket close is equal to 0. After next step, see here A minus 2 into A plus 1 bracket close is equal to 0. Here two equations are arise. See here A minus 2 is equal to 0. Second A plus 1 is equal to 0. Here A is equal to 2. Here A is equal to minus 1. Here A value are arise 2 value. Here A value 2 arise. Here A is equal to 2. A is equal to minus 1. We want to find the value of B for B. See here next step. We know that B is equal to 1 minus A. Therefore B is equal to 1 minus A value 2. Therefore B is equal to minus 1. Second value B. See here B is equal to 1 minus A. Therefore B is equal to 1 minus A value how much? Minus 1. Therefore B is equal to 1. See here minus plus minus how much? 2 minus. See here minus plus 1. Therefore B is equal to 2. Here B value 2. Therefore see here A1 comma B1 is that A1 value 2, B1 value minus 1. A2 comma B2 value is that A2 value minus 1, B2 value 2. This is the final value of A1, B1, A2, B2. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.